Okay, one of these foals is Elvis, but I really don't know which one. That one? No, I don't think so. This one? No. Oh, I really don't know. Sorry, Elvis. Is that him? Maybe this is Elvis. That one? No. I don't know. Elvis. No. I really don't know. Oops. Elvis. Elvis. I think this one. No. No, no, no. That one? No. Hello? That one. Yes. This is Elvis, I think. But I'm not for sure. Hey. Yes, I think so. Hey jongen. Hey Elvis. Goed zo. Hey, goed zo. Yes, I think this is Elvis. Hey, hallo. Oh, Rijntje. It starts raining. Hey Tyrone. Sally. Don't look that angry to Tyrone. Hey. Dolly and Ricey. Please. In a box. In a box. Hello? What are you doing? Dolly. Hey, Ricey. Please. Goed zo, braaf. Dolly? Kom. I think I saw Elvis, your friend. Belle, Blomke, yes, Boukje en Yveske. Hey! Hey Bella. Please. What? What's up? No. Please. In de box. Doe maar Yveske. Kom Blomke. Zo. Boukje. Doe maar, in de box. And I just got a call from Tim. And Tim is the one who trained Tyrone to ride. And I have a plan with Reisi. Huh? Yes. So, it will be continued. Oh, braaf. Goed zo, Tyrone. Blomke. Dat is Yveske. Goed zo. Hey Yveske. Little sister. Next year, it's your turn. Maybe we can ride on you. Hey. Oh, there's a braid missing. I have to make a new one. And behind Blomke on the left and on the right Boukje. Boukje is the full sister of Yveske and half sister of Tyrone. And behind is Bella. Doe maar. Goed zo. Hello, what are you doing? Rocky. Shit dan. Hij springt zo op me weg. Hé, waar ben je? Daar. Hé Rob.
Hey. Die poesie. Geweldig.
Oh. Hey, Reisi. And Yveske. Yveske was lying when we came here. It's your friend. No? You can go to Yveske. Come. Just say hello. No? Why? Come. Hello? Don't bite it. No. Oké. Kom maar. Let op. Galop. Goed zo. Oh. Goed, braaf. Goed zo. Let op. Galop. Galop. Braaf. Kom. Goed zo. Braaf, hè. Oh, draf. Oh. Goed zo. Oh, stappen. Oh, stappen. Hallo. Oh. Oh, stappen. Goed zo, braaf. Draf. Let op. Galop. Galop. Oh. Oh. Hey, ricey. I want to try something. Yes. Oh. Ah, good so. Oh, yeah. I want to try to hang on him. So, we shall see. Okay. Good job. Ah, okay. Good job. Ah. Ta-da. Good job. Ah, okay. Good job. Okay. Again. Goed zo, braaf hè. Hey, goed zo. Braaf. Hey, super. Hey, goed zo. Hey. Braaf hè. Hey, good so. Yeah. Hey, good so. Good so. Yeah. Hey. Goed zo, hè? Goed zo. Ja. Ja, goed zo. Ja. Nee. Goed. Nee. Ja. Goed zo. Ja, nee, goed. Ja. Goed zo. Ja, goed zo, hè? Nee. Ja. Goed zo, Rijsie. Ja. Cool. Awesome. Goed zo. Goed. Ja. Goed zo. Ja. Goed zo, hè? Hey, braaf. Goed zo. Well, this is the first time. Goed zo. Ja. Hey, super. Ja, yeah. I think he's doing fine. Hey, goed zo. I'm happy. Goed zo. Ja, man. Hey, goed. Super. Goed, hè. Hey, ja. Super. Ja. Goed zo. Ja, hè. Hey. Goed zo. Well, that's it. Goed zo. Hey. Ja, hey. Goed zo. Okay, that's it. I think Reis is doing a very good job. Hey, good so. Oh. Yes. I think he likes it. Yes? Do you like it? So maybe one day we can ride on Reisi. We shall see. I really don't know yet. No, I don't know.